going on, guys? It's My Life as Lex back with my sister. My Life as Faith in capital letters.
Yeah.
In capital letters, and she's already made a slime because she got bored. But yeah, let's just get on with the video.
You can't see us in here.
You can't really see us because we're under my sister's den. And if Faith moves out the way, that is my den, but I don't have that much room because I'm 8 years old and I have a lot of toys, but she's 12.
Bruh, she got me age.
She's 12 years old and there's like not that much that she wants to get, so yeah. So I've got a clean box because I had to delete some of my videos to do these.
And you have to delete games.
And games.
I have to use a stick right now because, you know.
Yeah, she broke a spoon.
My spoon.
She broke her own spoon.
It was a fork.
She broke her fork, but she was using mine, but I've got mine clean, and this is the end of her fork.
And it should look like this at the end.
Chanel, what do I need to change your phone? Excuse me.
Oh my god, put your hair at the back, yeah. No, I'm going to put it in because, you know, like, I don't trust it.
Ah!
No. Give it out. Okay, wreck your slime. It's alright, Lex.
Why?
Wreck your slime.
Oh. I need to shake it. It won't shake.
It's shaking. Boom.
How am I meant to wreck my slime? Bitch, I just can't. I'm not an expert at sliming, she is, and I don't think I need that much.
That should be enough when you mix.
So now I'm going to start mixing.
So really all you need is this air wick. Make sure you always get
We've
purple.
got paint.
Any type of shaving foam. Paint.
Because she said purple air wick because that works the best.
Yeah. Well, really, I worked out myself. So now thick. Is it thick when you mix? Okay. So she's going to use air wick now.
Yep, but she has to do it because she doesn't trust me. And
I'll do first mix for you.
Excuse me.
Okay, yeah, hers is working perfectly fine, so she can keep adding it. But make sure you have to spray it this way, or it will break instantly. So you're gonna go that.
Yeah, so I have to mix this way as well.
No.
And you can see it's getting together. But
it should, when you mix it, it should turn like this. Well, it should be proper.
So earlier today we were making this slime, but we need to make it cool down.
It's not amazing, but
not
it's our first slime, so you can't do that.
Yeah, because we haven't done slime in ages, so...
Yeah, so it's one of our first ones, so we're going to keep it, of course.
Yeah.
It's fun to...
I know.
It's very soft.
Slime is really good to play with, because...
And it calms people down and everything. So.
Yeah.
And she's stopped mixing. But if you add the colour, it gets stickier.
Yeah, and we've got silver, red.
I'm just going to keep mine white because my, like...
I might add one of the colours because these are the colours we've got, but this is glitter.
I might just add a bit of silver.
Glitter.
Can I add a bit of silver?
Yeah. We've got silver, red, pink, gold, blue, and green. They're the colours what we've got. So yeah, let's just keep mixing and do this.
Me. See,
mine's turning out well. You can see mine's getting stuck to the thing. And keep mixing, and just from one spray, mine's getting pretty good.
There you go.
See that?
No, next say. What's the rule?
Well, make sure
The window's open.
Yeah, because when you're making it, and
you can probably die from suffocation.
Yeah, and if you're
younger than like 4, 5, 6 years old, make sure you have a parent with you.
Or a sister if you've got one, and if she's 12 or 13.
If you have a sister that's
or
older
brother,
older than like 13 or 12, make sure you.
Mine's turning out well. It's collecting all the stuff off.
Yeah, so this is what it should turn out like. It's not like amazing, but I'm trying to mix it up.
And it's collected all the stuff off it. Look, one's better than that other one.
Just, Alexa.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna need that
We
one.
were gonna buy like a Nivea one because that's better, but it was too expensive. It was like £2.
Yeah.
So we had to buy a cheap one.
I think it's getting slippery now. I don't
That's
want any more in mine.
So what?
Because I don't want it to end up like that other one.
I want my There's better. Okay. I think I'm done.
Oh yeah. Well, you can make another one if you've got more glue.
I've got silver in there.
How is there already stuff on there?
Shake it, tell a minute, I love it.
It's still sticky because I've just tested it out a little.
Are you gonna add any colour before you like?
I don't know.
I'm adding colour or not? So I like to do.
Have you added colour?
I've only added
I might add silver because you just make the.
Why do you have to copy me? No, you choose a different colour.
I don't know what colour.
Gold, so I don't know. Gold makes it look brown. That's what I'm saying.
I might add blue because I might add.
You've already had blue.
I don't care. Fine and pink.
Alright, I'm thinking. I'm adding more grey because I love grey.
Yeah.
Grey's one of my favourite colours.
It's not grey, it's silver.
Sorry, silver. But we have to clean these out like after we've.
Yeah, because one of these boxes are hers. Because
Those are not. I have. Like, my mum has 4 of them.
Oh.
It's so sticky. It gets really sticky.
Yeah.
And then you just gotta keep mixing.
It
and
gets
mixing.
sticky.
Like very sticky.
Mine just fell off.
Well,
I need that for I only put a tiny bit in it.
that's oil.
Ah.
Mine's just
What
like.
did Mum say if we get the room messy?
I have to give her a pound.
Yeah, if we make the room messy, we have to give our mum a pound.
So.
Because tomorrow, Monday, they were sorting out our radiators, so we'll be moving this bed to my side because mine's like by the wardrobe. But hers is by the radiator.
Yeah, and don't sleep by a radiator, guys. It's not
Because it makes you hot, but she's cold in the night and she's got 2 quilts and a fluffy blanket. And I'm just with a fluffy blanket. I'm not in cold in the night. But our dad thinks that I'm cold. But I'm not. It's not turning out that pink. I want not like
Put a bit of red in then.
yolks.
Put a bit of red in. Like, this is bad, you know.
What do you mean it's bad?
This is bad.
What do you mean it's bad?
It's bye. B-I-E. Bye. Guys, all I'm saying is never get slime stuck in your hair because I've got it stuck in there before and like you cannot get it out.
And I nearly got my hair stuck in there. And that's for being there. You got KFC today.
Give me a slime, Lex. You're kind of failing.
Why?
Just look what you've done to your slime.
Nothing.
Need more air, we can. No, I can just watch the video.
Can I share it now?
Going back to normal now.
Yeah.
Wait.
Can I share it? I want it that pink. I'm going to see how that other slime's turned out a little bit. It's already flattened out again, Frank. It's already nearly flattened out.
It will. There you go.
It's soaking. But kind of...
There you go. Keep mixing it now. And then keep adding more.
You try. Not making noises.
No, lift it up. It makes noise when you lift it up. That's how I like it. This is Ribena and I'm trying it.
Yeah, there's Ribena at KFC. We live in the UK?
Okay, bitch.
We live in the UK?
Very boring.
Yep.
We have like so much things bad happening in our neighbourhood.
Yeah, like
And
gangs. 6-1.
I think 6 are dead now.
Probably.
6 are all in prison. So.
subscribe to her channel if you're not subscribed, and subscribe to mine if you're new. If you're new, subscribe, and if you're not, keep watching. Mine's turning out really good. Huh? Mine's turning out really good. Look how clean the thing's getting a bit.
Done. I'll take mine out. Done. Don't touch it. Right. If your hands are really warm, it will like get really hot. So.
Yeah. And I've just got it on my fork.
You just gotta keep adding and adding and adding. That's really
But
it.
make sure it doesn't turn out like that blue slime did. Because
You sound more
otherwise...
American than I do.
Can I have a little thing? Thank you.
All you really have to do is drown it, really. So.
But make sure you don't drown it that much. Otherwise it won't turn out like you want it to.
Like mine.
Like if you're a slime expert like she is, but she did it wrong.
I got it wrong once, that's it.
Just today.
Literally, you know when you get a hair, like you know when you get like a hair in the slime one.
Yeah.
That's what happens to me.
Yeah, it's really struggling if you get hair in slime. I need to add a little bit of red in it.
Okay, I think I've done it now.
I need to add a little bit of red. Just a little bit. Just like that.
This is not.
Faith, do you like the little dot? Faith, like my dot red. Faith, I've made a little dot on my red.
That just makes it even more sticky. Okay, it doesn't turn out like proper, like full on proper, but it turns out pretty good.
Mine just broke as well. Mine's right there, Faith. But that one's more cleaner than this one. Get up. So I'll add that there and I'll use this. I feel like I should get Faith, talk to them for a bit because I'm getting a nail from downstairs. Excuse me.
I'm not talking.
Just 1 minute, guys.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna fast forward. Well, you know when like life like hits you back in the stomach. This is what happens. Should put the Olivia on.
Come back, guys. I don't even know how to clock out people.
You got a mix.
Have you shown like your Pandora?
No, why do I need to show my Pandora for?
Why have I still got this in here? I forgot it was in.
Oh, shite.
What? Yes! You don't want to waste your money, give them to Mom. Well, she's your parent, but you get money for your birthday. Imagine a baby got money for their birthday. Mine's turned out like this so far.
I wish I had looked tons of paint.
I only put little dips. Look, mine's kind of sticking. But
Don't put it near me.
well, mine
Guys, I think we're going to end it now. Because, like...
yeah, because we don't want to make too much space on my camera roll. Because I want to do, like, more videos. So, yeah, we'll see you in the next video. And
subscribe and like.
Subscribe and like.
And I'm going to
Get this to, no, I've already got some 2 likes. Get this to 20 likes and we'll, wait no, 2 likes and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!